Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the JoyfulDesignz brand, here to bring you another DIY wherein we're going to create a blanket ladder slash magazine holder slash long stem floral holder. That's right. If you want to see how this turns out, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go. So what we're going to do is take these two garden stakes, the paint sticks from Walmart, a baby wipe, and some antique wax from Walmart, and we're going to create a faux stain. And how you do that is just basically take a baby wipe, dip it in the antique wax or any paint of your choosing, and then just spread it across each pieces of the raw wood. This is a great way to create a stained look on your wood without the odors, or if you have allergies such as I do, and any type of lung issues or lung diseases such as I do, and keep the odors down and not affect your lungs. And as you can see, I am just dipping and wiping the antique wax on all pieces. You can go as dark or as light using this method as you choose. If you're just now stumbling across my channel, welcome to all of my joyful subbies. Welcome back. I appreciate all of your support. My channel is steady growing, and I know it's because of you, and you. Keep pushing and sharing my channel to others to give them an opportunity to see quality, high-end decor using affordable products. You won't be disappointed in sharing my channels to your friends, families, enemies, and co-workers. We don't discriminate over here. We want everyone to take advantage of creating a beautiful home environment without breaking the bank. As you can see, I've already stained the paint sticks in the darker look, and now I am just finishing up the garden stakes. Some of this is filmed off camera because the stakes are longer than the table. And now I am just drying the wood so that I can get ready to put everything together. This is a design that just came in my head. Again, I was going to do something different, but as I start creating and start one way, things start going a different way. You all know by now that's how I do things. If you have yet to subscribe to my channel, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload a video. And also, like I previously said, please share my channel with your friends, your family, your enemies, and your co-workers. And now that all those are dry, I am spacing these out. With the paint sticks, I have cut off the handles using my miter saw. This was done off camera. And now I am just applying the super glue that I purchased from Dollar Tree and hot glue for a faster hold. This is a sturdy piece. Initially, I was just going to create a single tiered blanket ladder, but then like I said, my mind just went somewhere else and I just went with it. And I can't wait for you guys to see how it turned out, and let me know in your comments what you think of it. Now I'm just wiping off any wood glue that may have seeped through. And now I'm adding the hot glue. And this will be the pattern for the entire project: wood glue, hot glue. And I'm making sure I space these out just by looking at it evenly. Again, wiping the excess glue. So what have you guys been doing this weekend? Did you have a great weekend? I went to church, had a great time, and then I left church, went out to eat with my grandson and my daughter, the baby girl, and my baby boy. And then I went by and got a mani and pedicure. And then I decided to do this voiceover so I can upload some content for you guys. I have so much more to upload to the channel. I hope you guys are liking the content thus far. I am working on some duped items from McGee & Company, as well as from Kirkland's. And I just can't wait for you guys to see it. As you can see, I was just counting to make sure I had enough of the paint sticks to fit on the other side, because we are making a holder for this so that we can stick magazines down on the inside of them for storage purposes and or florals. And you can also use this as a blanket ladder. But it's a closed one. Now you see me taking my little miter saw right here. I did purchase this from Harbor Freight. And I am just cutting the dowel rods that I purchased from Walmart down and cleaning up my mess with the cute little ladybug vacuum. And now I am getting ready to glue the handle across or in between the two yard stakes to give it a handle. and I am drilling holes or drilling a screw on each side. And now I'm trying to give you a different angle. And as you can see, there it is. Look at that, guys. Did this not turn out cute? Who would have thought? If you like this content, please leave me a thumbs up. And until the next DIY, bye.